Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make more money, build freedom, and stay ahead of the future, then this video is for you. Today, we are talking about the best money-making ideas for 2026. Not old ideas, not saturated trends, but realistic opportunities that are growing right now and will explode in the next few years. So watch till the end, because the last idea can completely change your income game. Let's start with artificial intelligence-powered services. In 2026, AI will not replace everyone, but people who use AI will replace those who don't. Businesses will pay a lot of money for AI automation services, like chatbots, content creation, customer support, and data analysis. You don't need to be a programmer. You can use existing AI tools and offer solutions to small businesses online. This is one of the fastest growing digital service models. Next is personal brand monetization. In 2026, people trust people more than companies. If you build a personal brand on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, digital products, and consulting. You don't need millions of followers. Even a small, loyal audience can make you a full-time income. The key is consistency and solving one specific problem. Another powerful idea is selling digital products. Digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses, and tools have almost zero cost and unlimited scaling. In 2026, more people will prefer learning and buying online. If you have knowledge or skills, you can package them once and sell again and again while you sleep. Now let's talk about niche e-commerce, not general dropshipping, but branded niche stores. In 2026, successful e-commerce will focus on solving one problem for one audience with fast delivery and strong branding. Print on demand, eco-friendly products, and personalized items will dominate. This is a long-term business, not a quick money trick. Freelancing with future skills is another top opportunity. Skills like AI, prompting video editing, short-form content, writing UI/UX design, and automation will be in massive demand. Companies will prefer freelancers over full-time employees because it saves cost. If you master one high-income skill, you can earn globally. Content creation with faceless channels is also growing. You don't need to show your face. You can create videos using voiceovers, animation, or AI visuals. Topics like finance, motivation, tech facts, and storytelling perform very well. Monetization comes from ads, affiliate marketing, and your own products. Finally, let's talk about investing in yourself. This is the most important money-making idea for 2026, learning new skills. Building discipline, improving communication, and understanding money will give you returns for life. Trends will change, but skills stay forever. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which idea you want to start in 2026. I will see you in the next video. Stay focused, stay hungry, and keep building your future.